Oh,
maybe you've got hiccups.
hello, my angel. Gorgeous.
Hiccups finished? Are you going to go to sleep?
Do you want to see if she wants more milk or not?
Can do. Yeah, angel. Oh, they've come back.
Oh, so irritating.
Can you drink with hiccups?
Still said they took Jacob's hiccups away.
Oh.
Bless you. Oh. Bless you, angel.
Can you try? I don't know about that. Do you want some, my baby? Big, deep sucks.
Mm.